Good morning, student. Today in class 11th economics, we have to study difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. First, you have to understand the meaning of microeconomics. My dear student, microeconomics is also called price economics. Okay, so whenever you have to study microeconomics, it means it is considered about the price economy. But here I am given word that is called individual. What is the meaning of individual in microeconomics? We are going to study the individual economic units. For example, any firm, factory is called individual units who produce goods. Okay. So when we are study about individual units, and the variable means what that is related with the production. Okay, cost, price, these are the things are the variables. Okay, so my dear student, when we are talk about this thing that microeconomics, we have to study price economy. Okay, price economics, it is also called price economics. Now, when it is a very important topic, why? Because price economics is related with the cost, okay, production, okay, cost, production, revenue, okay. These are things which we are studying in microeconomics, okay, when production, it is related with the production of goods and what is the cost, what is the revenue, as well as we are studying the demand, rules of demand and supply, okay, rules of demand and supply also study, and along with these rules and demand and supply, we studied the types of market, different types of market. We have to see that forms of market, forms of market, forms of market, okay. So simply you can say in microeconomics we study the price, cost, production, okay, and different forms of market, monopoly, monopolistic, oligopoly, etc. And you have to also study the revenue as well as the profit maximization. These all things comes under the microeconomics. That is why when we are studied the individual units, we have to study these things. Now come to the macro. Macro means when we are talking about microeconomics, we are talking about the functioning of government as well as country. What is the role of government and country? So in this context, we have to study banking, money, income and employment, okay, and national income, fiscal policy. These all things comes under. In banking, we study about different parts. That's suppose in our country that is called central bank, RBI, which decide CRR, SLR. These things is comes under the macro, because in macro that comes under the any country how to deal the CRR, SLR, which is related to the banking. If any country you have to find central bank. In our country central bank name is RBI. Money means supply. We have to study this supply of money in an economy, okay. Income and employment generations also studied in the micro topic. And national income is also comes under this economics, that we calculate GDP, GNP, okay. Fiscal policy, the government decide what types of the taxes, okay, tax, and any other decision which is a long term borrow, taxation and borrowing decisions comes under fiscal policy. Okay, now another that is called monetary policy also comes under the macro. So my dear student, there are two types of economics we have to study, in micro and macro. So you have to aware about what is the micro and what is the macro. So in our exam, there question will come differentiate between micro and macro. So you have to write different type of the example what I have taught you. So it is very simple because all these things comes to your examination and it is a basic chapter for you. Thank you.